What is sports physiology? What is sports physiology? The answer is sports physiology is the study of sports physiology is the study of the long and short term effects of training and body condition of athletes Next, okay, I am repeating. Sports physiology is the study of the long term and short term effects of training and body condition of athletes Otherwise you can write the body condition of sports persons. Next question. Physical and physiological difference. Physical, that means anatomical, and physiological difference. Physical and physiological difference between male and female. Number 1. Difference in shape and size. Give a hyphen and write it. There is a lot of difference in the shape and size of the body. There is a lot of difference in the shape and size of the body between male and female. These difference are associated with nutritional and other environmental factors. Point number 2. Bones and shoulders. The skeletal of the shoulders is the same in both male and female. But the larger muscular development in males in males make it seem wider, makes it seem wider. Full stop. Point number 3, pelvic region. Point number 3, pelvic region. Generally the pelvic region generally the pelvic region of females is wider than male's pelvic region. These three from physical. Next, physiological. Point number 4, muscular strength. As we have we are writing physical and physiological difference. So from physical, 3 points are there. Next, 3 points will be from physiological difference. Point number 4, muscular strength. Yes, these 3 from physical. Next, point 4, 5 and 6 will be physiological difference. Okay, so first, point number 4, muscular strength. The muscular strength of females is less than the muscular strength of female is less than the muscular strength of males. Full stop. In fact, the contraction and extension of muscles in fact, the contraction and extension of muscles in female is less forceful than in males. Point number 5, blood circulation. Point number 5, blood circulation. There is less amount of blood in female. There is less amount of blood in females than males. There is less amount of blood in females than males. Full stop. Along this, Along this, the size of heart in females, along this, the size of heart in females is smaller in comparison to smaller in comparison to males. This difference after full stop, this difference exists from the time of birth. This difference exists from the time of birth. Full stop. Next, blood pressure and stroke volume. Blood pressure and stroke volume. Next point, blood pressure and stroke volume. The systolic and diastolic blood pressure, the systolic and diastolic blood pressure in females are generally the systolic and diastolic blood pressure in females are generally about 5 to 10 mmHg lower than males. Full stop. The stroke volume of female usually the stroke volume of females usually remains 25% lower in comparison to males stroke volume. And then another point, respiratory organ. Lungs of females are smaller than males respiratory organs. Males lungs smaller than males lungs. Full stop. In fact, lungs capacity for a normal healthy female is approximately 10% smaller not smaller, lower, approximately 10% lower than a male of similar age and size, Okay, this is physical and physiological difference between male and female. So to discuss this much, we would come in our next topic, the physiological factors determining the physical fitness or components of physical fitness.